Alright, so here's the review, sort of. Let's go with that. I'm going to do just a little thing, what you could put on the formula sheet, maybe go over some other little key tips, tricks, whatever you want to think of it as. But, you know, stuff to get you ready for the test. So, can only hope, right? Yeah, I can only hope. I really do hope y'all are going to put me in a better mood. I don't know. Anyways, keep in mind you can use this, what's on this slide here on your formula sheet or note card. So make sure you have that ready. Notice the axis of symmetry is x equals h, y-intercept is k. Domain and range, make sure you know about that. You might want to make sure you had paused, rewind, I don't know. I'm about to go on to the next slide, so there you go. So let's see here. What you need to do for the, whatchamacallit. There we go. The calculator, to find the vertex, y-intercept, and the zeros, you need to graph the function, press menu, trace, graph trace. I'm not going to worry about changing the window, but then let's discuss some other things that you could possibly do. Okay, which method do you prefer? If you're a box kiddo, 3x minus 4, x plus 7. If you're a box kiddo, again, la 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 la, draw the box, da 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 da, 3x minus 4, x plus 7, x times 3x is, oopsie, 3x squared, x times negative 4 is negative 4x, 3x times 7 is 21x, 7 times negative 4 is negative 28. Combine your like terms, 3x squared plus 17x minus 28. Something like that. If you're a distributed property kiddo, 2a minus 7, 6a minus 1, you would say 2a times 6a minus 1 minus 7, 6a minus 1. Distribute, that's 12a squared minus 2a. Distribute, that's negative 42a minus, no, plus 7. Combine your like terms, 12a squared minus 44a plus 7. So, not too hard, that's pretty much it right there. If you are a vertical method person, say 4x plus 1 times 7x minus 3. Okay, you get negative 3, negative 12, put a 0. 7 times 1 is 7x, positive. 7 times 4x is 28x squared. This combines 28x squared. This would be negative 5x because they subtract because of different signs. Negative 3, and you are done. So, I mean, really there's not much to cover here. I would keep in mind, what can I do with those slides? What can those tell me? Can I find the zeros and stuff like that? I don't know what more to tell you there. I would say, like on a problem like this, f of x, the first one, negative 3, x plus 2 squared. It should say squared. I know I didn't put the squares. Oopsie. On the transformations, like number 8, again, the negative means reflection. The 3 means there's a stretch. The plus 2 in the parentheses means you're going to the left 2. And the minus 5 means you're going down 5. Okay. On number 9, if you do the calculator, type this in, do the menu, trace, graph trace, you'll find out that the vertex is at negative 2, negative 5. Okay, then you should be able to answer that the axis of symmetry is x equals the vertex, x of the vertex. The number 11 says the max or the min. If you see the graph, you would see a graph that looks like this. And that would tell you, and the calculator would even tell you that you have a max, and you would have it from the y of the vertex. Number 12 was, are there any zeros? This does not cross the y-axis, so then we would put no, I'm sorry, the x-axis, so no zeros. And then the domain and range. The domain, again, is all real numbers. The range is y negative 5. And so notice I'm using this again. Since it's going down, it's got a max, it is less than or equal to. If it had been facing up, it would have been greater than or equal to. And then you should be able to pick out the graph. If you look at the other one that had y is equal to 1/2, not y, why did I put y? F of x is equal to 1/2 x squared minus 5. You would find out that the transformations, number 15, the 1/2 means you've got a compression. I'm about to write a stretch, and even though I mean compression, have no clue why. Because, you know, I'm just being silly. And then it was down 5. Because, again, it's not in parentheses, so that's up or down. Number 16, the vertex would be at 0, negative 5. So that tells you that the axis of symmetry is x equals 0. 18, the minimum, because I don't think that one would tell you, but you can guess it's a minimum because it's, when you've got it like this, that's a minimum. That will give you a min. When you've got it like this, you should have a max. Okay. Anyways, the minimum is at negative 5. Number 19, there are 2 zeros. And if you follow along on the graph trace, you would find out that one of them, I don't care, if once it tells you there's a 0, take the x coordinate. Whatever this number is, it's 0. It's going to be some, it might mess up and say like some small number, e to the negative 12, negative 10, whatever. All that means is it's a 0. Just go with that. So what is this number? What is the x coordinate? That's all I care about. And on this one, I believe you get 3.16 and negative 3.16. Those are your 2 zeros. Okay? So I just need the x coordinate. That's all I'm going to give you on the multiple choice. And that's about it. That's this review in a nutshell. That's it. Just have the formula note card, formula sheet. I don't care if you fold up a piece of paper into a note card shape, staple it together like that, make a note card. I am going to give you extra credit for that note card. If you staple it to your test, I will give you all at least 5 points. So I'm doing this to try to be nice. I hope you watch this video. Y'all take care. I will see y'all when I see y'all.